ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. And if we refer to my last analysis, since the price was exactly within this move, I mentioned if I get any correction, we can look for the next trade, and this is what we get. All right. That's why we have been looking for see whether the price can break 12.3 or not. Exactly as we can the price tag, there was a consolidation and it start to drop. All right. And right now for those traders, they keep the trade. Again, still we can put our stop loss somewhere below this correction. And we don't need this line anymore. We just put it here. We want to see whether the price can break 2.233 or not. We just change it. Right. This is what we're looking for at this point. 2.33. We need to see the breakout of this line. It is not really important, just we will put above here, above this one. And right now we're looking at this. We can consider this one as a flat, running flat. That means if we get a flag here, we can take the trade. We need to see the breakout of 2.33. But one thing we need to highlight here that if we put this stop in relative to the previous one, if we refer to indicators, we see we have a divergence and as well here. All right, the divergence based on 1 hour chart, it can give us, we can expect to get a deeper correction. And what I can see that if the price give me a deeper correction, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. That's why if you want to look at this one as a running flat following by flag, if we get any trade, we need to see the breakout of 2.33 as a sharp move and similar to what we had here. Right, if there was a rejection because of the divergence, then we can expect the price to give us a deeper correction. That's why we need to be quite careful from now if you want to look for trade, because again, for continuation, we prefer to get the deeper correction. And if you move to daily chart, we have nothing else to discuss. Everything similar to what we have been explaining in my last analysis. The only thing is we're looking for the reversal, and the best things if I move to forward chart. All right. Anyway, based on forward chart, we have been looking to see the breakout of 2.37, following by 2.5 and 2.65. This is the zone and levels we're looking for. And we prefer to see the breakout of 2.5 if we want to look for reversal for as a long term. And we need to be quite careful. If the price couldn't break this zone, we can expect this one turn to a flat. And if this one turn to a flat, we can look for one more drop, at least similar to what we had here. That's why we need to be very careful. And for those traders, they get the trade within this move, they need to move their stop loss. I mean, they at least move their stop loss to break even or book their profits. We adjust this one. We need to see it based on 1 hour chart. And in this case, if we move to 1 hour chart, all right. Sorry, we cannot see that. If I move, all right, we need to see this one based on 1 hour chart, right? Okay. If we move to 1 hour chart, if we get any trade from here with the breakout of 2.33, the targets is not the target. We need to see the breakout of 2.37, the next level or the resistance I'm looking for. That means we need to see the breakout of this zone. All right. Anyway, still we can look for continuation, but as I mentioned, mostly even if there is a continuation from here, we are expecting to get the deeper correction. Now, where we get the deeper correction, either here or at the higher price, we cannot confirm. But in the bigger picture, we need to see the breakout of the previous top, which is somewhere around 2.5. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.